Is your Stripe pricing setup giving you a headache? Let's squash those pricing problems in your Stripe account. First, navigate to the Products section in your Stripe dashboard here. We'll check the configuration of each product to make sure the pricing is accurate. Click on the product that's giving you trouble now. Carefully examine the pricing tiers. Are the prices correctly set for each tier? Is the currency correct? Next, let's dive into your subscription settings, which can affect recurring billing. Ensure that the billing intervals, such as monthly or yearly, are set up correctly. Any errors here will definitely impact your pricing. If you're using coupon codes or custom pricing rules, head over to that section in Stripe. Review the rules and coupons to make sure they're applying correctly and aren't conflicting with your product pricing. Check your Stripe API logs for any error messages related to pricing. This can give you clues about what's going wrong under the hood. By systematically checking product configurations, subscription settings, and pricing rules, you can troubleshoot your Stripe pricing and get your business back on track.